Yeah, girl, man, I get take away. Okay. Them I say me sweet like. Man, I say me sweet like Nestle. Sweet like Wrigley's. Champion bubble. What it sees, what it get, yes I made it. Man, I say me sweet like. Boy, yo, Aisha. Call Roger on the phone, please. Nicholas. Man, I like the song. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, daddy. No mistake. Yeah. Sweet like Nestle. Yes, so I don't know, Nestle video is out. You know who excited, right? Me come there. Sorry about that. Nestle video is out. First of all, let me big up everybody with comments. Big up yourself, Bougie Queen Gabby. Big up yourself, Nicholas Paul. Big up yourself, Aisha Foster. Big up yourself, Eddie. Eddie, a years of support you give me, you know. A long time you support me, you know, Eddie. Big up yourself, Ground God. Yeah. Me gonna make sure that play I'm drink out later in a day. Hey, girl, Gabby, make sure say you send me a video. I don't know how you're gonna make me get it, but send it in my DM. Me gonna look for it. Gabby, why your Instagram name make me look for you right now? Make sure say play and make sure say me get a video. Yes, once again, Nestle video out. I'm super excited. I am crazy excited, not even know. Make sure someone drop a comment. Make sure someone drop a comment. Tamai, why my name say Clark Taylor? Big up yourself. Here there. May I get all baby up on them something there. Wanna see the official video for Nestle yet? Search for it right now. Daniboo Nestle official video. Drop a comment. Eddie, what you think about the video? Blessing a flow like the river, Danny. Big up yourself, Eddie. What you think about the video, Eddie? What do you think about the video? Yo. Excited. Professional thing. We talk about clean. The dancers, them bad, creative. Big up versatile ones. Go and watch it right now. Sweet like Nestle. Man, I say me sweet like Nestle. Sweet like Wrigley's. True that. Champion bubbler. True that. Champion bubbler. True that, right? Champion bubbler, right? One beat for me, jump like Naya Bingies. Your man, I pre this. Big up yourself, unruly. Need that girl better run away. They must say me sweet like Nestle. Britannia. Big up yourself. Shake and bubble up. What kind of song you expect from Daniboo next? What kind of vibe you want? Eddie said the video sexy bad. Oh my god. Big up yourself, Eddie. Aisha said the video come right out. Tana girl. What kind of music you want from Daniboo next? What kind of vibe? Talk to me. Me and Uno the right reason. Talk to me. What kind of vibe you want from Daniboo next? What's next? Tell me what's next. Wanna think? You want a weed vibe? Cause you don't know the B. Or you want one. Shit. Tell me what go on. I don't know one of them kind of vibe then. You wouldn't expect. Yeah. Weed vibes. Or in itself. Girl got a lot in store. My whole heap in store. Trust me. You know you love it when I get up. Sweet like cherry, they wine sweet like cherry. Every man I come a chase like cranberry. The wine sweet in a dead and berry. Back it up, fling it up, showing something in there. Same look, the way me flick it like a dummy. Jiggle it, lick up it, then I tip up on me. Ow. Oh. Oh. Sweet like Nestle. Sweet like Nestle. Sweet wine, no I nicking nothing. Take a girl, man. Thank you. Shawan Green, big up yourself. Maria Hunter, big up yourself. Have you guys seen my video yet? For the people that were just joined the live, have you guys seen my video yet? Your girl, man, I get. No, baby, I never listen to the haters. Listen, you see, your haters now. Your haters are your biggest fans. You know? Yeah, man. Your haters, the people that don't like you, are your biggest fans. You see, on Nestle video drop, you see the people that don't like me, and them watch it first. They watch it before all I know will love me and support me. They watch it before you, Eddie. Remember, me tell you, the haters dip on the preview countdown. I tell you, haters are the biggest motivators. So you just do things for bond them. You just get up every day. You do the right thing, you know. Show it up in them face and make them see it. And make them see what's popping. And make them see say you're happening. And make them see say life great. Me hear somebody said this one time in our interview. Never you make your haters them know say you down. You're crazy. You're crazy. Even on my worst day, me have the most bubbly personality. Even when I'm sad, once me leave my house, me not feel like nobody's supposed to know my problems. Nobody's supposed to be like, oh, something wrong with Danina because she act weird. Not me. Crazy. Keep shining, star. Big up yourself. They watch you for a reason. You have star qualities. No joke. Yes, girl. True. A true, man. A real thing. So big up everybody will love and support Daniboo. You know the thing is real. It's genuine. Big up yourself, Eddie, once again. Enough respect. Say like a little spot, sweet like regulars, true that, champion bubble like true that, hot on a shot like a few grams. What it is, what it get, yes I need it. Man, I say me sweet like diabetes. One beat to me jump like nine fingers. Send me a. That's right, Eddie. That's why I'm the baddest. The mental is original. Yeah, girl. With me, I wanna level up, eh? Eh? Daniboo. Alright, so it's been 11 minutes. I didn't even realize I was talking this long. Years now. Thank you. I not even know how much I appreciate. You see, Uno what they write us upon the live here, I feel so close to Uno. Like my YouTube people them. I love Uno so much. Lee Miller. Hey Danny. Hey Daniboo. He's my favorite dancer. I know some Jamaican. Okay, thank you, baby. Hey Danny is my favorite dancer. I know. I respect your beauty. Thank you. How old are you? I'm 21. Daniboo, boo, 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 boom, boom, voice. Big up yourself. World boom voice. Alright, so love you know. I'ma head out. May I go back live on my Instagram. But when I reach a studio. So I'm gonna show you a little piece of what go on in my daily life, you know? Just because I love y'all so much. Here, oh my god, you're a baby. Yes, I am a baby. I have an old man mind though. If I'm coming to Texas soon, hopefully. Got my fingers crossed. Alright, Lee Miller, I'm gonna make sure I look for you when this done. I'm gonna go back live, make sure say that I'm live and him something there. Love from London, big dancer. Big up on yourself. I know some have a whole heap of England supporters, you know. Love you know. Big up all of the Daniboo supporters. Big up all my boobies. Big up Team Daniboo. From them time till now. From Boo Boo Wine, Bongso. Enough respect. Later.